to another, it's part 2, not another version, it's part 2 of the part 1 of the Capcom 1 in the Rain. There's Landon over there. Alright, I'm gonna go over there. Alright, come, ready? The war starts now! Go! See him. Ready? I think I got him. You're in charge of falling down. And he got tripped up with the leg sweep. Come, do this for the camera, ready? It's the cool part, ready? Ready? You do?
I shot him.
You shot him? Get up! Get up now! We're out. Let's check. I can't tell him to go. Since you could look at all of them, I think we're out. So.
Go, Carl, go. Where'd you go?
See ya! Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you next time.